In today's video, I'm making smoked turkey stew. You can pair this with plain rice, jollof rice, or rice and beans. If you're new here, my name is Kaye and I share delicious recipes on this channel. To start, we're going to add some oil in the cooking pot, heat it up 2 to 3 minutes, and add half chopped onions. Feel free to use the white onions or the red one. Once that is cooked, I'm going to add my tomato puree. I'm using roughly a medium bowl of tomato puree for this recipe. Let this cook for 10 minutes and add the blended ginger, garlic, and onion. Stir well and add about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now it's time to add my smoked turkey. You don't want the stew to burn, so cook everything at this point on a low-medium heat. I'm going in with 1 scotch bonnet. And later on, I'm going to add some spring onions, more onions, and also some bell peppers. If you have children, it's always good to make your stew like this so it's not too hot for them, especially if they don't like too much spicy food. Check the stew, and if you notice the tomato is a little bit sour, just add a pinch of bicarbonate. That will completely take that away. Adding boiled egg is optional, but because I'm going to pair this stew with rice and beans later, I'm going to add some boiled egg. If you're enjoying the recipe, but today is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing if you like quick, easy, and very delicious recipes. And kindly drop a like if you love today's recipe. And there you have it. Our stew is ready, super inviting, and I'm going to pair this later on, as mentioned, with rice and beans. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.